Hello, today we are going to look at some of the introduction sentences in German. If somebody meets you and says, "What is your name?" In German, how do we say? We say, "Wie ist Ihr Name? Bitte." Wie ist Ihr Name? Bitte. That means, what is your name, please? And your answer should be, "Mein Name ist," whatever is your name. "Mein Name ist Preetma," like my name is Preetma. Then if somebody says, "Wie ist Ihr Vorname?" Wie ist Ihr Vorname? That means, what is your first name? Then you will say, "Mein Vorname ist," and whatever is your first name. And if somebody says, "Wie ist Ihr Familienname?" Wie ist Ihr Familienname? That means, what is your surname? And then you will say, "Mein Familienname ist," your surname, right? Sometimes you meet somebody and you want to handshake with that person by saying that I am this person. Then in German you will say, Ich heiße Preetma und Sie." Ich heiße Preetma und Sie. That means, I call myself Preetma, and what about you? I call myself Preetma, and what about you? Preetma is my name, okay? So you will be speaking your name. Then the other person will also say, Ich heiße, and whatever his name is. Now comes the nationality. In nationality, if suppose we say, "Wie ist Ihr Nationalität?" Wie ist Ihr Nationalität? That means, what is your nationality? Wie ist Ihr Nationalität? Then you will say, Ich bin Indrin. Ich bin Indrin. Indrin means Indian. I am an Indian. So I will say, I am an Indian. Then there are other nationalities also, like Deutsche means German. I am a German, so you will say, Ich bin Deutsche. Or if you are an American, you will say Amerikaner, right? We will speak about those later. Then comes, if suppose we are saying that, where do you live? Where do you live mean, what should be the sentence? So in German you will be saying, Wo wohnen Sie? Wo wohnen Sie means, where do you live? Then you will say, Ich wohne in Kanpur, Indien. Ich wohne in Kanpur, Indien. If I am an Indian, I will say, I live in Kanpur and Indian. Or if suppose somebody says, Woher kommen Sie? Woher kommen Sie? That means, where do you come from? Then your answer should be, Ich komme aus Kanpur, Indien. Ich komme aus Kanpur. I come from Kanpur, India. Right? Then comes, where to me? If suppose somebody is saying, where are you going? Where are you going? Then you will say, Wohin gehen Sie? Wohin gehen Sie? That means, where are you going? Then you will say, Ich gehe nach Berlin, Deutschland. Ich gehe nach Berlin, Deutschland. I am going to Berlin in Germany. Right? So today we have seen some exciting sentences like, Wie ist Ihr Name? That means, what is your name? You will say, Mein Name ist. Wie ist Ihr Vorname? What is your first name? Wie ist Ihr Familienname? Then what is your nationality mein? What was it? Wie ist Ihr Nationalität? Wie ist Ihr Nationalität? Okay, then your answer was, Ich bin Indrin. That means, I am Indian. Or if suppose we say, Ich heiße Preetma und Sie. I call myself Preetma, and you. right? Then if suppose somebody says wohin kommen Sie, where do you come from? So in that case you will say ich komme aus Kanpur or whatever is your country or city. And if suppose we say wo wohnen Sie, wo wohnen Sie, that means where do you live? Then you will say ich wohne in Kanpur, in Dean or whatever. And if suppose somebody says wohin gehen Sie, wohin gehen Sie means where are you going? Then you will say ich gehe nach and then your city or country, right? So it was so exciting. We'll come back with the new video. Till then, choose